Hello guys, welcome to another video where we are fixing some problems or issues. So there's one issue which I will show you right now. So the issue right now, if you see, if I will show you, we have a model reusable component, which we all know that we make a reusable component of model. So let me tell you, we are using style component for styling our project, like anything, styling our tag or styling our component. We are only using the style component. So the problem which I am facing is, you see this model context provider is there, overlay is there, these are fine. Overlay, if you see, it's like this, maybe, yeah, overlay is like this, and there is also you see model content. So model content is there, which we need to modify, because the problem which I'm facing right now in the model is, if I show you just a moment, I think I changed it to overflow by auto. Yeah. So you see the overflow. So if I go to my project, you see this. This is the model. If I try to open this, so see, there's a problem actually, because the problem is we can't able to see the calendar, whatever it is not going further the model, because the overlay is auto. That might be the case. If I change the overlay, I mean, I will show you. So if I try to even remove the overflow, sorry, not overlay. So if you see the overflow, I removed it. That means it's visible. Default, it's as visible. So it's working properly, as we need something like this. So I am trying to figure out how we can do this. So because few things I checked, if I show you, are like this. So what I'm thinking, this is my main component, the parent component, where I'm using the model reusable component. So I'm just thinking, first I checked that we can do it by, we just need to export the model content, and by using this export we can import it in our project, and we can change it into something wrapper or something, and we can directly do, overflow y into visible, and then we can model wrap, we can wrap our uh, model. Okay, we can do this. Maybe I will check, we can wrap model inside that, but we can't use model wrapper here, as this is not suggested. Sorry, this is just a suggestion, but we can't use wrapper here. If we use, then we need to get somehow all this is open. Whatever props we are passing, we need to define them, or we need to find a way. Even if we try to remove it and wrap inside it with full our new context, our new style, but it will again get the same styling. If you see, if I try to do like this model wrap, you will see the model wrap, right? And if you see, if I try to, this is after the model. Yeah. So if you see, I did it, and if I try to open, see, so this is the problem, but it's working on that. So I'm just trying to figure out how we can fix it, or maybe we'll find something. This video is just for to give you a problem where you can fix it or not, or how you gonna, what approach you gonna take here. Because if we try to wrap it in model, somehow it won't work, because we definitely need props and everything. So if I show you, yeah, then we need to define these, which is not possible because this is extending the model context, not the model. even if we try to put model here, I'm thinking like this to, sorry, model. If I try to add model here and try to get something, maybe it has something, I need to check style component where we can use something like, overriding, like this, like we have this is this in what we call material UI, like this, something like this, and then we can get some, and we can override that class or whatever the style component we created. So just let me know if anybody is familiar with these things, how we can basically we can tell that how we can uh, override our style component styling in multiple components. So let's see if you can, provide the solution, then definitely. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.